watched a video the other day a guy did about Florida, and he was pointing out that a lot of Florida, if you're not on the coast, that it's pretty boring, to put it into his words. I think that's what he said. And while it's true that there isn't a lot of variation in the land, I mean, the difference between the highest point in Florida and the lowest point, which of course would be sea level, is about 300 feet, maybe 350, something like that. So yeah, it's not a very, you know, jump out and smack you with beauty kind of a place, but it's not boring. There's a lot to check out and see around here, and whether it's hiking, and you know, I guess I'm just interested in a lot of different things, so I find almost everywhere interesting. You know, I found Cleveland super interesting, and most people would find that boring. But anyway. Yeah, I really liked Florida, and including my wild swimming. Doesn't really qualify as wild since it's got ladders to get in the spring, but at least there is wildlife that you're swimming with, which was pretty cool, I thought. The surprising thing was I couldn't actually see the turtles to speak of because I didn't have goggles or a mask. So when I was underwater, I didn't know I was filming the turtles until I saw one big one and got that. But anyway, yeah, I don't think Florida's boring. Just depends what you do, right? Anyway, thanks for watching. Well, it's official. I have swum in Hart Springs, and I gotta say it was a pleasant experience. And the water temperature is about maybe 10 degrees less than the outside temperature, so you know, you feel it when you get in for just a little bit, and then it's very comfortable, and then when you get out you hardly notice it. So yeah.